Event Pilot is a high performance conference app for medical and scientific events with offline access to thousands of sessions and research abstracts. So there's a lot of data in the app. Let's start with the agenda data by looking at the session detail view. Users access sessions in multiple ways. For example, from the Program tab, the Search, or the Speaker detail view. All of these views are automatically generated based on your data. From these views, we can access the session detail. If you have session ads, they display on the top automatically. They are not part of your agenda data, so let's scroll down to the first data field, which is the session type and displays color-coded on the top. Then users see an auto-generated action icon bar with options to navigate to the location, see sessions located near this session, share, comment, flag for credits, add to their schedule, bookmark, or take a note. From your data, the session title displays, followed by the date, which is interactive and shows all sessions for that date, the location, which is interactive once it's mapped. Quick tip, if you need to list a venue, always start with the room label first, followed by the venue name due to space on the small screen. The start and end time, which is interactive and shows all other sessions starting within that time frame. An optional session number. One or more speakers or exhibitors associated via their record ID to this session. Some spacing where the session ratings or surveys automatically appear if you use this feature. If you are using the Session Status widget, which is a customized add-on for Event Pilot Pro, it would appear just above the session description. Next, the session description text. Below the description, Event Pilot's AI automatically displays related sessions if it found matches. After that, the session type filter automatically shows, plus all of your custom filter keywords, up to 4. Each keyword turns into an interactive button showing all sessions for that keyword. Below the filters, all your media items and any associated links are displayed. This could be content uploaded via the speaker portal, like e-posters, or full abstracts imported from the abstract management system. A session refers to the media data via a media ID, just like speakers are linked via their own ID. If a session has child sessions or sub-sessions like individual poster presentations, they appear on the bottom. The child session is associated via the parent session ID, and the start and end time must be within the parent's start and end time. Subsessions are first sorted by start time, and if the subsessions start at the same time, they are sorted alphabetically by their title. Alternatively, you have the option to control the subsession sorting by using the session number field. We just covered all the different fields and where they are displayed. There is one more field that is invisible. In a dataset, each record needs to have a unique ID. All the different fields are simply columns in an Excel spreadsheet or CSV file that can be imported. Speakers, media items, and exhibitors are associated to sessions by their own IDs and are stored in their respective spreadsheets. The speaker detail view is as structured as the session detail view. In addition to the automatic action icons to bookmark or add a note, there is also a link icon if you have a URL for a speaker. For example, if you collected their LinkedIn URL or organization URL. If you have a photo URL, you can add it in your data, or alternatively, you can upload speaker photo images later in the conference app builder directly. Then, of course, each speaker has a first name and last name, a title, and usually an organization. The bio field is a text field that can also be used to display speaker disclosures. You can add up to 4 custom filters. We recommend adding specialty and country. If you associated the speaker to a session in your agenda dataset, these sessions are automatically displayed in the speaker detail view. Links like e-posters, abstracts, or any other links can be added as media items. Any PDFs, links, or videos uploaded by the speaker are automatically displayed in the speaker's detail view. And just like with sessions, all of these fields we mentioned are in your column headers in a spreadsheet. Since each speaker is a record in a table, each speaker also needs a unique ID so you can reference that person. If you are using the speaker portal or you are using the built-in chat, make sure to add a column with the email address. The email is not shown in the app, but is needed to send the speaker portal invites and also to let speakers know that there is activity in their presentation chat so they know to follow up with attendees asking questions. Depending on your authentication setup, you may know the login username of the speaker. If that is the case, you could add it so that attendees can easily initiate a private chat with a speaker directly from the speaker detail view. The last detail view we'll cover today is the exhibitor view. The top displays an action bar with an animated pin drop on the booth in the expo hall, the optional contact email, an optional link, and then of course the bookmark icon and the notes icon. While you do need a company name, the location field is optional. If you collect company logos, you can include the image URL in the data or batch upload into the Conference App Builder. You can add a company description, and like in the other datasets, up to 4 different filters with keywords. And you can also add media items such as additional links to product fact sheets, product videos, a webinar sign-up form, all very attractive advertisement options for your exhibitors. If you purchased Event Pilot Pro, we can help you easily collect up to 5 links per exhibitor. If exhibitor chat is available, it automatically appears. Any session that an exhibitor is associated with also automatically appears in their detail view. Again, all the fields we mentioned are merely column headers in a spreadsheet. And since each exhibitor is a record, we need a unique exhibitor ID per entry. We do have one other field for exhibitors, and that is the type field. You use it to designate a single label like gold sponsor or supporter or exhibitor depending on their sponsorship level. Using the Conference App Builder, you can choose the order of the exhibitor types and if a type should display the logo in the list view or just text. You can find more details in our specification document, which I'll link in the details below. As an Event Pilot Pro user, feel free to reach out to your project manager. We are experts at populating the event app with conference data and are able to guide you how to best import your existing data into the Conference App Builder.